culture. You see, there's a guy called Penny Penny in Parliament. The guy has not been to school, but he happens to be Shangaan, by the way, so he's from my group. The guy has never seen a classroom in his life. He is a member of Parliament making laws for me. I have a master's degree. How could an idiot, I mean, let's be honest, I'm not aware of any country in the world that has turned itself from a backward country into a first world that is led by someone who has not been to school. How do you have someone in Parliament who has not been to school? It doesn't matter black and white. There must be no one who has not been to school in our Parliament.
Namhlanje kuseni sithole indaba ezithi uPenny Penny owaziwa ngoPapa Penny uresignile kumkhonto wesizwe party. Umuntu obebhale le post kuFacebook wakhe uDean Tswalo ubhale kanje: I believe he made a wise decision to resign from the MK party. He simply couldn't continue leading Matsonga under that organization. After the recent chaos and the removal of people from key positions, he stood little chance of winning the trust and hearts of the people, even if he tried to convince them otherwise within MK. He must now choose his next organization carefully. I hope they don't use him as a stepping stone and then discard him. Honestly, what President Zuma did for him was rare. Despite his lack of formal education, Zuma believed in him enough to bring him into parliament, serving with honesty and integrity. He was the only active asset fighting for Matsonga at large. Even the powerful ANC couldn't secure him a seat in parliament, but Zuma did. Something he will forever be grateful for. As he embarks on a new journey in the political journey, I wish him the very best. I hope he finds a political home where he can serve permanently. He deserves respect and proper treatment because he is born leader. It will be heartbreaking if he's used for local government campaigns and then discarded afterwards. Penny Penny is a true born leader. Yona post ke le evele ekseni ngodaba oluthinta uPapa Penny ukuthi uresignile kumkhonto wesizwe party. Uma ke ngiqeda kubona le post ngeke ngafuna ukwazi ngenhlahla uma ngithi ngiyascrolla ku Facebook ngazithela phe kwe resignation letter yakhe uPapa Penny eqinisekisayo ukuthi ngempela uyashiya kumkhonto wesizwe party. Kodwa ngaphambi sifunde i-resignation letter yakhe siyazi sonke ukuthi ube umuntu obegxekwa ikakhulukazi njengoba wake washo ngaphambilini wathi yena ukhuluma isilungu ngendlela abelungu abakhuluma ilanguage yakhe ngayo. Akanendaba ukuthi isilungu sikhuluma kanjani, akanamsebenzi. Kodwa lokho kubani bakithi ke banaso leso sifo uma umlungu engakhuluma ilanguage noma isitsonga noma isiZulu isixhosa noma yipi language kulawa wase-Afrika angasikhulumi kahle leyo language ushawela izandla kuthi uyazama nkosi yami akulona ulimi lwakhe. Kodwa uma kuumuntu wakubo uphenduka ihlaya uvela uphenduka ijoke nje into engaziwa. Abantu bakithi banjalo, they glorify abelungu, bayabathanda abelungu kakhulu. Yingakho umlungu noma ngabheda kanjani ulimi lwakubo engekeze beyinhlekisa, kodwa uma kuumuntu omnyama uza trend ngisho ukutrend. Yingakho bethi bethi etude inswalo lo into eyenziwa uZuma yaba nkulu kakhulu ukuthi anikeze uPapa Penny ithuba lokuthi a7 in parliament, ikakhulukazi kwi-portfolio committee sports, arts and culture, ngoba ukwispace vele se-arts and culture ukuthi nani kwithuba despite ukuthi isilungu sikhuluma kanjani noma ufunde kangakanani, kodwa ngoba izinto ezikhulunywa lapha zithinta ama-artist, so uyayazi into ekhulunywa khona. Ne-EFF futhi yenza okufanayo uma ithatha uEugene Mthethwa ithakabe lapho siyamazi ukuthi ukhule kakhulu umculi esebenza kwiqembu iTrompisi. Bamfake lapha ngenhloso ngoba bayazi ukuthi lo muntu njenge-artist iy'nkinga zama-artist uzoziqonda kangcono. Siyakhumbula noRingo wakwaba i-member of parliament esikhathi ku-EFF. asidluli la bengidlula nje ukuthi lento eyenziwe i-MK Party ayiqala ukwenza kuyakenziwa ngaphambilini. Undeke nansi resignation letter ibhalwe nge-15 zika May 2026 iqonde kumkhonto wesizwe party ithi attention President JG Zuma no Secretary General we-MK Party kanye no Chief Whip abantu labo wacopied. Fundeka kanje, hope that this letter finds you well. It is with heavy heart that I submit my resignation letter to you, my president. When I took the decision to join the party, I did so knowing that the struggle to attain the emancipation of our people will come at a cost. And what I did not anticipate was that such cost will come from attacks, vilification and belittling of my person and effort by those who are in the provincial leadership of the party in Limpopo. Of concern to me, I issued media statement that sought to impair my dignity and reputation, which I have built over decades through hard work, especially in a world that was not accommodating of people of my background. And as a revolutionary, I could stomach such behavior if it was coming from the enemies of our revolution. Unfortunately, when such comes from those within our ranks, it is impossible to overlook such betrayal. I joined MKP voluntarily and I served it to this point to the best of my ability. Therefore, kindly accept my resignation and I wish the party well. Lastly, I will thank President Zuma for the opportunity that the MKP gave me to be part of the National Parliament and be of service to our people. And for that, I will forever be grateful. Yours in the struggle, Kezani Eric Kobane. Ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba kuvele le resignation letter kaPapa Penny, ngithe mangena ku-X yazwa nge-Twitter, ngazithela phe kwepost elinye ifighter isho khona ukuthi ya vele i-MK Party ayikho stable, abantu bayashiya uPapa Penny. Ngiyazi uzosho njalo, kodwa same person azange akhulume ukuthi kunama member ashiyile nawo ku-EFF. Le resignation letter yange-14 kuMay 2026, meaning yayizolo, kunomuntu oresignile, kodwa akaze ngisho lutho ngayo. Ngiyadlula nje ngenzela ukuthi abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party uma bengase badibane nezinkulumo ezinjalo funa babone ukuthi hayi akungoba ama resignation enzeka ku-MK Party kuphela, ukuthi ngoba i-MK Party inalolu dumo enalo, uma ukhuluma ngalo uyabathola nabantu abazokulalela. Yingakho ke ingasabalalanga indaba yabo. Bengithi nje ngidlule lapho, angibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphola kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani konke lolu daba esilixoxayo lukaPapa Penny ukuthi ushile lapha ku-MK Party. Into ebuhlungu nje kakhulu ayishoyo ukuthi ucwaswa ngaphakathi eqenjini abantu abakwi-leadership. Yabona kube mina bengu-former president uZuma bengeke ngiyamukele i-resignation letter yakhe, bengiyombiza ngithi asizame ukuyixazulula le nkinga, angikuhlanganise nalabantu sithole ukuthi inkinga yini le abayenzile nalama media statement. Uma ngabe kukhona abantu ofuneka badisciplinwe besobadisciplina, ngoba ayikho into ayibalayo, kodwa ubala isizathu sokuthi kunama media statement aphuma kubantu abaseqenjini ngaphakathi. Ngakho kube mina bengu President Zuma, kube yimi bengothi ngifonelana uPapa Penny, Papa Penny ngicela ufike la kimi kuyaphuthuma ndoda, ngiyemukele resignation letter yakho. Esingakwenza mina nawe kukodwa asibize labantu sithola umnyombo yonke lenkulumo. Uma kukhona abantu ofuneka badisciplinwe ngoba lesihlave esenzeke kuPapa Penny asizukuyeka. Azophuma amanye ama media briefing acwasa abanye abantu, akhuluma abanye abantu kabi, nabo bagcine bephumile eqenjini. Ngakho ke akulashwe inkinga bengiyothi mina nje kube bengu secretary general, kube bengu secretary general, bengiyothi Papa Penny ngicela ne-National High Command sihlangane sibe ne-meeting no Papa Penny. Papa Penny, sicela ukuzwa izikhalo zakho. Kwenze njani? Imaphi lama media briefing uma ngabe asikho aware ngawo? Aveze. Bathini? Ubani lo? Okay, kulungile. Hamba sibize loyo. Bese siyabahlanganisa egcineni sethi emveni kokulalela izinkulumo zenu nobabili sikutholile ukuthi ubani ngoba obvious bazobe sebemazi umuntu ozobe nephutha. Sesiyamazi kumuntu osephutheni la. Uma kukhona okufanele ajeze ngempela. Ilokho mina bengingakwenza ukuze nomunye ofuna osacabanga ukwenza angasakwenzi. Kodwa ukwamukela le resignation emveni kwalapho lo muntu lo owenze lento usazoqhubeka yenze nakwabanye, nabanye bazobona ukuthi kuyasiza ukwenza kanje ukuze ukwazi, ngoba into efuneka ihambe phambili ufuna kubeka iqembu phambili. Akazi resignele engasho ukuthi ngixoshwa umuntu othize eqenjini. Ilapho khona wonke umuntu ufuneka mangabe kukhona wrong kufanele ku disciplinary akube njalo. Kube ke bengisesikhundleni bengosho njalo.